How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and safe at your homes. I'm Rina. I'm mother teacher. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Unique Learners. You must have listened traditional method of alphabetical sounds like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and D for dog. Today I am going to explain new trending method of phonic sounds. So let's get started. Sing with me. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you abacus. Abacad, apple, ha ijak, lamana upa kwarasata, awawa, sayazi, awawa, sayazi, abacad, apple, ha ijak, lamana upa kwarasata, awawa, sayazi. Okay, now let's read. This is letter A. Apple. The sound of A is apple. This is letter B, and the sound of B is butter. This is letter C, and the sound of C is candle, cat. This is letter D, and the sound of D is drum, dog. This is letter E, and the sound of E is egg, elephant. This is letter F, and the sound of F is fur, fish, fingers. This is letter G, and the sound of G is glass, girl. This is letter H, and the sound of H is her hands. This is letter I, and the sound of I is insect. This is letter J, and the sound of J is jug. This is letter K, and the sound of K is kite. This is letter L, and the sound of L is lion. This is letter M, and the sound of M is mama, mom. This is letter N, and the sound of N is nose. This is letter O, and the sound of O is orange. This is letter P, and the sound of P is papa. This is letter Q, and the sound of Q is quilt. This is letter R, and the sound of R is rose, Rina. This is letter S, and the sound of S is sun. This is letter T, and the sound of T is telephone. This is letter U, and the sound of U is uncle, umbrella. This is letter V, and the sound of V is van. This is letter W, and the sound of W is water, watch. This is letter X, and the sound of X is box. This is letter Y, and the sound of Y is yacht. This is letter Z, and the sound of Z is zip. Thank you. You must take the advantage of our channel. So please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Have a good day.